Hi everyone, Chelsea Marie here with Find Yourself Healthy, and today we are going to do a back workout, biceps, and tricep workout. So this is kind of getting more into body splits, which is great, I love. And the reason why is because you can focus on about 1 to 3 muscle groups, depending on your schedule and what your body goals are. But that's 1 per day throughout like the week, and then it gives your body the whole week to also recuperate those muscle groups, and then the next day you would do a different muscle group. For example, legs it could be, and the next day could be shoulders and abs, the next day could be chest, and then you would rest and then you can repeat that. So that's how body splits work, but today is just back, biceps and triceps. So grab a weight that you feel more comfortable with it. The biceps and triceps are smaller muscle groups, so typically it's a little bit smaller. Back is going to be bigger, so you usually lift a little bit more. But grab what's great for you on going to that fatigue stage of starting to fatigue, feel the burn, the last 1 to 3 reps. The amount of reps we're going to be doing is around 12 to 15, depending on the exercise, and sets are anywhere from about 4 to 6 sets. So we're going to start with back, actually. If you haven't warmed up, make sure to warm up. You can kind of stretch here, go arm circles, switching. A great warm-up too is always starting with a lower weight for a few times, doing about 20 reps with that lower weight, and then going into your exercise. All right, so we're gonna start with a T-bar row. So this is getting the back part of your shoulders into your traps and rhomboids, and we're gonna be rowing like you're making a T with the body. You can do this exercise with a bar as well if you have a bar. Typically in gyms, sometimes you'll see the thing where you lean over here and you're pulling. So when you don't have gym equipment like that, you can do the same exercise with just dumbbells. So pick up the dumbbells, we're gonna bend over and we're gonna make a row and a T with our body. Eight, 7, 6, 5. All right, good job, guys. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the weight and do another set. Going into T-bar rows, back over, here we go. Three, 2, 1, and rest. 2 more sets of those, so just kind of shaking it out in between. Here we go. And rest. 1 more round. So if you have a heavier weight, you can do a little bit more rest in between as well. All right, now we're gonna get into lat pull down. So that's where when you're seated, you're pulling down, or maybe you're using a cable machine. Same thing, you're pulling down to get in the backside of those muscle groups. There's 2 exercises that you can do when you don't have that machine at home. So this one is gonna be like you're pulling down with the weights. You're using that force. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. That would be more like a close grip lat pull down. We're gonna do that set again though for 12. Here we go. To the outside movement. So we're going to be pulling down, really concentrate on pulling that down, then we'll just lift up. So when you lift up, you're going to get a little bit of shoulders, but our main concentration is that back lat muscle. All right, so arms are up, pull down, 10, pulling down, 2. Last one. Awesome. Shake that out. We'll go one more round of those. All right, here we go. Starting up, pulling down, 10. 2, 1, and last. Good. So we're gonna go rows now. There's gonna be a reverse grip row, so that's where the palms are facing up. You're bent over and you're rolling. Pulling in, pinching the shoulder blades together. The reverse row gets a little bit of a lower lat. Here we go. Picking up, back over, row. Three, 2, 1. Awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and set those down. We're gonna go another 3 more rounds of those, so 4 total. 1. Rest. 2 more rounds. Here we go. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Last one. Here we go. 1, and rest. All right, last back exercise is a row. So when you bend over on one leg, you're able to get more range of motion. This is getting the entire upper back here. We're gonna go ahead, go for 12, rowing, 12. And I'm not leaning on here, I'm just kind of guiding it. The point is for range of motion. 2, 1, switching sides. Good. We're gonna go ahead, pick up both weights now, and row with both. 2, 1, and rest. Awesome, straighten it out. One more round of those. We've done the back exercise of this workout. Alrighty, staggered stance. Pick up that weight for rows, 12. 1. Awesome, picking up both weights now for 10. Here we go, bent over, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, set that down. Should be feeling it in your back now. Take a breather, grab some water. We're gonna switch exercises. All right, we're gonna go into biceps. So we're gonna start with an alternating curl. And with an alternating curl, the dumbbell's on the side. You're gonna turn. When you turn, the dumbbell's now facing out, back down. So pick up both alternating curls. The nice thing with alternating curls is you get the entire bicep. So when you're down here, you're getting those forearms. When you're up here and you're turning out, getting the entire upper bicep. All right, let's go for 10. Curling here. 10. Really squeeze when you come up. 9. one. Awesome. We're now going to go into tricep overhead extension. So if you have heavy to light weights, you put both together, bring it up, tricep down, back up. Key here, or you just do one weight. Key here is to keep those elbows in, core nice and tight. Here we go. 10. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome. We're going to do that around 2 more times. Switch to a new bicep and tricep exercise. So all together, you hit those biceps and triceps 6 sets, but 2 different exercises for them. So now we're going to go ahead and ramp up those reps too. So we did 10 last time. We're going to go ahead and do 12. Here we go. Alternating curl. And I'm not swaying those top arms, so I'm not going swaying, moving the elbows. Elbows stay straight. You're just moving those forearms. Three, 2, 1. Good job. Tricep overhead extension for 12. Here we go. 1. Awesome. Now I'm going for 15. Alternating curls. Here we go. 'Squeeze the bicep out. Doing good. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Awesome. Overhead extension for 15. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Sit that down. Grab some water if you need to. We're going to do another set of biceps and triceps. If you need to pick up weight, feel free. We're going to do another 3 sets. Alright, so now we're just going to do regular bicep curls. So palms are facing out, and you're just going to be curling up. Same thing, don't sway. So if you have a mirror, you can kind of look in the mirror, make sure this isn't moving, and you're just moving that forearm. Elbow stays in line with that shoulder. Then we're going to go bent over and go to tricep kickbacks with the turn out. Turning out gets a little bit more of that inner tricep work. So 3 sets. We're going to start with 12, and we're going to go 2 sets of 15. So we're advancing now. This is how you will work up and progress a workout. Regular bicep curls. Here we go. Squeeze when you're up top. 1. Awesome. And that tricep kickback, we're here. We turn the palm so the top part of that palm is facing out. We're going to do 2 at once. Here we go. Tricep kickback, turn out. 3, 2, 1. Rest. So this is our 4th set of a tricep bicep workout. So you should start feeling that burn in them. If not, pick up the weights. 2 more sets. Here we go. 15 now, bicep curls. 1. I'm starting to sweat. All right, tricep kickback with a turnout. 15.